Today, we will be discussing aiding and abetting, which is the legal term for getting in trouble for a crime that someone else committed if you intentionally helped or conspired with that person who committed the crime. It is sometimes also called accomplice liability.
So, for example, if your friend steals a bike and you help in some way, maybe by acting as a lookout, you could get charged with stealing the bike and face the same punishment as your friend, even though you were not the one who actually took the bike.
Let's break down how this works. To be charged and convicted for aiding and abetting a crime committed by another person, the prosecutor has to be able to prove, 1, that the person knew that the other person was going to commit the crime, and 2, that they intended their presence or actions to aid the other person in committing that crime.
Let's look at the 3 former Minneapolis police officers, other than Derek Chauvin, who are charged with the murder of George Floyd. Thao, J. Alexander Keung, and Thomas Lane are all charged with aiding and abetting second-degree murder, third-degree murder, and second-degree manslaughter. They are all charged under the accomplice liability law, so the state has to prove that they knew that Derek Chauvin was going to commit a crime and that their presence or actions intended to aid Chauvin in committing the crime.
If the state is able to prove their case against any of these 3 former officers, they will face the same presumptive prison sentence as if they had committed the crime themselves. So if Thao, Keung, or Lane are convicted of aiding and abetting second-degree murder, they face the same presumptive prison sentence as Derek Chauvin. Check out our video on sentencing to learn more about how that works.